Okay, it is windy today, and that usually makes Charlie frisky, so I thought it might be good for a video. Let's see what happens. It rained here all day yesterday, and then like I said, it's quite windy, although right now it doesn't seem as bad. I was out in the golf course, and it was a lot worse because there weren't houses and fences and whatnot to stop the wind. But I need to go around my yard and collect the sticks. My mom watched this video, it'd make her crazy because I got tons of sticks in my yard. Come on, frisky man. Come on, do your thing. Nobody wants to see my shadow. Do your thing. Do it, man. These are the sticks that I threw from the front yard into the backyard. Alright. But the chipmunks, they're just not, they don't want to die today. They don't need you to chase them, and they don't need to die today. Go find something else to do. I'm going to poke you in the bottom. I go, see. Bub, do your thing. Everybody wants to see you run up the tree. Bub, run up the tree. Gee. Gee. Wubby. Go run up the tree. Go crazy. I know, we need to mow the lawn. We need to pick up the sticks. We need to get the kitty to run up the tree. Wubs. Wubbo. This is another place he goes to look for chipmunks. But I'm thinking there's any chipmunks back there. I need to cut all that ivy back. Hi, Ghost. You're just coming? Ghost usually doesn't hang out with us like this. He usually does his own little thing. He must know. He must want to be videotaped today. It is an absolutely gorgeous day. New Mexico day, in my opinion. No clouds in the sky, and the wind reminds me of fall and spring in New Mexico. For those of you who don't know, I'm pretty crazy about New Mexico, and this is also a field hockey day, which is another thing I'm crazy about. Ragdolls, New Mexico, field hockey, ice cream. Not necessarily always in that order, but like ice cream can come second sometimes. Field hockey is my sport of choice if I were to choose to play a sport. And when I was in high school, days like this were, the days that you wanted to have games or days that you wanted to have long practices. Okay, alright, do it. Like, let's have the friskies, man. Wait, hey. Bob, everybody, okay, friskies? Okay, friskies? It's getting close. You know what's gonna happen? You're gonna have the friskies when I run out of batteries. Hey, friskies. I know. Can you come run up this tree, please? Come on, let's go. Ready? Get him. You can go do it? Do your thing, man. Bub, I think you should get that frustration out with a little bit of a run up a tree. Get it, Wub. Get that leaf. Tell him who's boss. Gee! I know, it was rude. It was so rude. She's so rude. Just rude, Bob. It's rude. Bub. I can see the title on YouTube. Ragdoll cat runs up tree. Come on, bub. You gotta do it. Show the people at YouTube what you do when you do what you do. Gay. 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 Kill Charmizers. Go, 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 go. Get him, 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 get him. Darn it. Get him! Get him! Get him! Go run up the tree, Wubbies. Go run up that tree. Go get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Bub, you're killing me, Smalls. Oh, I feel like scratch myself with all the sticks I have lying around. Alright, come on. I'm gonna poke your butt. It's so hard to film. Yes, yes, yes. Ow! God. I swear my memory card is gonna be filled, or the battery will be gone before this happens. What do you think, Gauss? It's shenanigans. I don't participate in shenanigans. I am a true cat. No shenanigans right here. Unless she drags me into it, then I have to participate in her shenanigans. Why are you so stinking cute? Why are you so stinking cute? Oh shoot, there goes I. Let's see, Gus. I'm trying to get it in underneath these bushes right here. Let's go get another stick. You want this stick? What about this one? This one's fun to play with. So stinking cute. I can't handle how cute you are. It makes me want to scream. Makes me want to scream. So stinking cute. Why are you so stinking cute? Why are you so stinking? Look at that tiggy belly. Look at that tiggy belly. There's not much better than a big white tiggy belly. Tiggy belly, tiggy belly, tiggy, tiggy, tiggy belly. Gus, you already like killed half the sick. What are you doing, Whack Job? God, Charlie, cannot believe that you're not running up that tree. It's so frisky weather. Perfect.